Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school diary app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, create your account using your school email. You'll then see the main dashboard, usually divided into 3 clear sections. Take a moment to explore these areas. This initial setup takes less than 5 minutes and ensures you're ready to manage your academic life efficiently from day one. It's designed to be intuitive for all users. Managing your assignments is straightforward. To add a new task, simply tap the plus icon. Input the assignment details, then set a due date. You can also schedule helpful reminders, perhaps 24 hours before the deadline, to ensure you never miss a submission. Once an assignment is completed, mark it as done. This keeps your active list clean and provides a satisfying sense of accomplishment as you progress through your schoolwork. Staying connected is crucial. The Messages tab is your hub for all communications from teachers and school staff. You can customize your notification settings to receive alerts for new messages, important announcements, or even changes to your class schedule. This ensures you're always informed. Furthermore, you can reply to messages directly within the app, making it a convenient two-way communication tool. Expect responses within 1 to 2 business days from your teachers. Beyond the basics, your diary app offers several powerful features. Utilize the calendar view to see all your assignments and events at a glance, whether it's a weekly or monthly perspective. You can also attach files, like a project brief or a photo of whiteboard notes, directly to an assignment. For ultimate organization, consider syncing your school diary with your personal calendar applications. This creates a single, unified schedule, helping you manage both academic and personal commitments with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.